Alright guys, back again with another video. I know it's been a long time, but over Christmas I was working a lot with my job and just generally when I was off, spending time with the family and things. So now I'm going to get back to get my videos out regular again. We're going to be back in action. So I was looking at getting a new RC car. I was looking at the Traxxas Maxx V2, which looked very good, but also Team Associate, I've got an MT8 coming out, and Corrali, well, they keep on saying they're bringing something out, but I don't know what they're doing, so hopefully they'll get something out soon as well to get a look at. There's been a lot of noise for Corrali on sites and things, but nothing to show so far, so I'm quite interested to see what happens with they guys. But right now I've got my Arrma Kraton 8S, so it looks like an EXB Kraton 8S, but it's just the EXB shell. So I wanted a new shell, and I got this for insanely cheap. Let's just say way less than half price what it is in Model Sport. So I've done really well getting that. Apologies for the plane going over. Also, I've changed the front and rear diffs on the car because the drivetrain was feeling slightly sloppy. The only other thing I want to do drivetrain wise is I've rebent them a couple of times for a few big crashes, but the drive shafts to all four wheels, I've had little bends in them over time. I've straightened out on my vise, but realistically I just want to get new ones on it, just keep everything nice and clean and tight. Then what we're probably going to do next thing is we'll be getting new wheels on it. I'm not sure what to go for. If you've got any suggestions on wheels, I'd really appreciate that. I want something that looks nice but isn't insanely priced. Like I say, I like these D-boots that Arrma have got, but the main problem I have with them, that's why I'm on grass just now because they're a little torn up, is they slice up easy. The sort of rubber's really soft on them, and I'd like something a bit harder wearing because I like to run on shale and gravel a lot of times, and they do get cut up quite easy. So we'll have a little light bash round, maybe some light jumps, but nothing crazy. And yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy the video. But the Kraton 8S, it's going to get really pimped up, and once I've got everything how I want, instead of getting another car in the foreseeable future, I want to go for big electronics and stuff, because this car is the most expensive car in my fleet, and it's the craziest as well. So I really want to start getting a lot of things done to it and just making it a proper beast. We'll talk about the parts in other videos and things I've got ideas for, but right now we'll have a little bash and hope you enjoy it. If you've not subscribed to my channel already, please do that, I'd appreciate it. And if you have, thanks again, and please leave a thumbs up. So we'll get a little bash of the car, then we'll have a little talk about the end maybe. And yeah, here we go, wet miserable day, so hopefully we'll be churning up some mud. Right, here we go first. So I'm still on stock gearing on the Kraton, and with the bashing I do off-road, I think it's more than enough. But you can see the speed's nothing to shout about. So I'm going to up the gearing once I do the electronics, but up till then I'm quite happy with this in general off-road for what I do. The pickup seems to be good, although, actually apologies, it's faster than what I showed you. I had it on the middle setting on the controller here. I thought that seemed a bit slower than normal, but I've not had it out for a long time because obviously we're doing the diffs and things. But yeah, the Kraton's an absolute monster. Really loving it. So I just think with having a lot of RC cars, you're always thinking to yourself, I'll get another one, or I'll do this, or I'll do that and stuff. But realistically, sometimes what you've got, like this is like £1,000 car, is you're better actually spending the time doing up the things you have instead of chasing another problem, because effectively every RC car you buy is an extra problem. One of the other things I want to upgrade on this is the steering servo. It feels really sloppy and slow, especially on the grass where I'm getting traction. But other than that, I mean, off-road track wise and general bashing, I'm loving the Kraton, but I just want to get a bit more beast mode. System wise, I'm not sure. I was looking at the castle systems, they're quite expensive, as are the hobby wings when you go to Max 5s and things. But I've never had a castle, so I don't know if I'm better staying hobby wing or going for that, or if there's something else. So over the next series of months we'll probably start working out what we want to do with this car, but it's going to be a long-term project. But for this kind of scenario right now, it really could do with more gear for sure. It's yeah, it's not the greatest, but I really really the aim of this video, obviously I want to get a video out, is I just kind of want to get the car just a little test of all my new diffs and things. So it just feels really nice. It does feel tighter on the throttle, although I've not got insane speed with the gears like I say, but yeah, really happy. Flies nice at the low. I like the low slung jumps. There's nothing high about them, nothing probably looks good on camera, but they just feel nice when you're driving. So I think there's now a couple of hills at the other end. We'll have a look there, see if we can get some different angles of jumps. This is purely just a quick video, just of the Kraton, and yeah, just my talk about it, because it's not been on the channel for a while and it's a lot of fun. This is one of the best cars I've ever had. Just the fifth scale size is so good. One problem though with fifth scale, in my opinion, you don't want more than one in your collection, because they're so big, so awkward to work on your bench and things, and realistically, yeah, I mean, just having one big beast is really pretty cool. So yeah, we'll move over to the other spot and hopefully you're enjoying this. I don't know if it'll be exciting. I usually do movie style videos and things, but today I'm really just out for a play for myself and a little test, and I thought I'd just talk to you guys since I've not been on the channel for a while. So yeah, here we go. I'm not sure if I'll get a jump here. Another thing about the steering servo is, yeah, I want to improve it there, but my setting was a bit off, so it is turning a little bit better just now. Right, so have we jumped down here? Whoa, I flew. I'll come back up the way again, try and see if we can get you a better shot of that. My daughter Lily, she's got my other camera, she wanted to come with me, so maybe she's got a better shot of it coming down. But like I say, this isn't a big air thing, especially just getting a new body and all the plans I've got for the car. I just want to be fairly gentle today. I do feel like I need more gear though. You can see in the gravel though, it's really, when it's getting the grip down, it's a big difference. Oh, can't see it over the hill. There we are, can see her now. Just nail it over here. Whoa! Thought I was going over on my roof there just now. Almost feels like the car's warming up a bit now. Unless it's just me getting more comfortable on the throttle again. Whoa! That was big. Lucky it's just a nice soft landing though, so you kind of expect that when you're going off the road. Get some of that grass off it. Body's too nice to have some mud on it. Yeah, no damage done whatsoever though, that's the main thing. Just a little clean off, but the car was generally needing a clean. Right, anyway guys, that was just a little play around. What I'm going to do now, since I've got my daughter Lily with me, I'm just going to give her a little shot of the car. Yeah, I want to try and get her more into this as well. So big open field, nobody about, good time to let her play with the Kraton 8S. So I'll catch you guys later, another video coming soon, and as always, thanks again for watching. Ball out.